The gardens of Eden are the ones they're going to enter. يُحَلَّوْنَ فِيهَا مِنْ أَسَاوِرَ مِنْ ذَهَبٍ. They're going to be adorned, decorated, decked out in it with bracelets made of gold, وَلُؤْلُؤْ, and with pearls, وَلِبَاسُهُمْ فِيهَا حَرِيرٌ, and their gear, their outfits in it are going to be an exotic and thick form of silk. وَقَالُوا, and they're going to say, Alhamdulillah, all praise and gratitude belongs to Allah. Where the surah began, Alhamdulillah. فَاطِرِ الَّذِي أَذْهَبَ عَنَّا الْحُزْنِ Al-Hazan actually. The one who got rid of all kinds of grief from us. He removed grief from us. Jannah is where your grief is removed. So the people of belief are being told, be ready for a life of grief in this world. It's okay. Because in Jannah you'll get to say, Allah removed the grief from us. Inna Rabbana laghafurun shakur. Our Master truly was, as He meant, extremely forgiving and extremely appreciative. The names Allah promised He is. Now we say it because we see it in action in Jannah. الَّذِي أَحَلَّنَا دَارَ الْمُقَامَةِ. The one who opened and allowed and made permissible for us the home of permanent residence. Muqama. Muqama. This is actually the dharf and with the ta marbuta. From muqam. Aqama yuqimu. It's muqam, the ism dharf. And then the ta marbuta because it's permanent, it's very powerful. We get to stay here. Min fadlihi. Out of His favor. لا يمسنا فيها نصب. No exhaustion is going to hit us here. No exhaustion is going to get a hold of us here. Nasab means in Arabic, to be so tired you can't stand up. Nasab means to be so tired you can't stand up. So that kind of exhaustion will no longer come here. What does it mean? That these people, in between the lines, al-labib min al-ishara yafham. These people stood in front of Allah praying until they couldn't stand. They worked for Allah until they got exhausted. They exhausted themselves serving Allah. And now they're thanking Allah because the days of exhaustion are gone. وَلَا يَمَسُّنَا فِيهَا لُغُوبٌ. And we're not going to be overworked here ever again. To have too much work and to be crushed under work, that's lughub. So exhaustion and overwork, that's never going to happen to us again. Now we're on vacation. Which means you have to be overworked right now. This is the life to be overworked. This is the life to engage yourself.